I'm trying to ask some basic questions because our readers don't have the understanding of what's going on, so I'm going to have to go back to the beginning and
No, well, your readers want basic things.
basic.
Because if we control the base, everything will be self-controlled.
Uh-huh.
Your readers are intelligent in this country.
I just want to know basically, what is TM and why should people practice it?
TM takes the mind, the conscious mind, to transcendental consciousness. This transcendental consciousness has come out to be known as unified field of all the laws of nature. Now, transcendental meditation is the first step to opening the door of all possibilities, because it takes human awareness, takes human conscious mind to be that which the physics has declared to be unified field of all the laws of nature. Now, why should people practice transcendental meditation? The reason is that everyone wants to fulfill one's desires. And if one has this technique to think from the unified field, then one would be thinking from that ground where all the laws of nature are active. In order to get the support of nature, we want absolutely everyone in the world to practice transcendental meditation, because physics, supergravity theory has declared that unified field is self-referral. Now, the self-referral is self-referral state of consciousness. Only consciousness can be self-referral. Nothing in the material field, no matter can be self-referral. Because deep within the matter is that unified field, which is self-referral. So self-referral is that intelligence which then expresses itself in different forms and activities in nature.